Replacing a fan limit control is a straightforward safety task if you follow the right steps precisely. Start by shutting off all power to the furnace, at the circuit breaker and at the furnace switch, and verify there is no voltage with a non-contact tester or multimeter on the control terminals. Remove the furnace access panel and take a clear photo or sketch of the existing wiring before you touch anything so you can replicate connections exactly. Note the model and specifications printed on the old control and buy a replacement that matches those specifications for temperature range, terminal labeling, and mounting style. Using a mismatched device can cause improper cycling or damage. Ground yourself and use insulated tools. Then carefully loosen terminal screws and detach wires one at a time, keeping them labeled or clipped to your reference photo. Mount the new control in the same orientation. Tighten terminals to the torque recommended by the manufacturer to prevent loose connections, and restore power only after confirming no stray tools or screws remain inside the furnace. Run the furnace through a full cycle while monitoring temperature changes and blower activation times, and recheck all terminal temperatures and voltages to ensure the new control operates within expected limits. Common mistakes include failing to verify power is off, which can cause shock or shorting. Always test for zero voltage at the control before touching wires. Another frequent issue is replacing the device with the wrong specification, which leads to improper fan on and off temperatures. Compare the part numbers and temperature set points, and, when in doubt, consult the furnace manual or manufacturer. A third problem is loose terminal connections that cause intermittent operation or arcing. Retighten terminals to specified torque and inspect for heat discoloration that would indicate a bad connection, and replace wiring if damaged. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to heating and cooling jobs and gives contractors a place to list services and find work. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange real-world tips and troubleshooting experiences.